Hello and welcome back to Python with another video. And yeah, today I want to show you some tricks regarding how to make your code more readable. And yeah, let's start with that by trick number 1. A little break for the first comment. And yeah, guess for yourself, what is wrong with that? I have a variable like a 6 and yeah, I type this is the most awesome string I ever wrote, and I love this string. Cool, variable. Yeah, I should stop typing now. Equals 6. Yeah, maybe you guessed it for yourself. This is a valid name for a integer, but you shouldn't do that. Use meaningful names. That, for example, if you are on a job, have to program something, and 2 years later you are at another job and some other programmer has to read your code, he will hate you. So first of all, use meaningful names. And here are many things wrong. First of all, it is not a string, it is an integer. Then the name is much too long. It has nothing to do with the actual variable. Why do I have to declare an integer with the value of 6? By reading this name, you don't even know. And because I'm choosing a global variable, I should always write uppercase. So let's do instead it like this. Dice count. Not kive. Dice count equals 6 because a dice has 6. Let's say max dice. Dice 1. This can make some sense in some cases, but yeah, I made the case up on my own. But yeah, now the readers can maybe think for himself, okay, I have a dice, the maximal value of a common dice is 6, so yeah, that makes sense. Next one is regarding to functions. We have a function, again we give it a very long name, but yeah, make PDF and transform it into a txt, then filter palindromes and make also Fibonacci. So now apart from that again we have a way too long name for the function. Problem with this function, if it really does what the name of the function may suggest, it is way too much input. So the function would, for example, import fpdf, create something like an PDF equals none. I don't wanna write a function that has a line count over 200 lines and so on, with 500 for loops, 600 while loops, but I guess you know what I'm trying to say. If we really want to do that, I don't know why anyone want to make an PDF, transform it into a text and so on, but if you really wanna do that instead, first of all, make PDF, then PDF def PDF to txt. Let me fasten it up a little bit. And here we go. Just split the task of the function into separate functions, and the code will be more readable. And you can maybe, while programming, you will realize that you need convert a PDF to a txt in other occasions or other cases, or you have more cases where you have to filter palindromes and you can use these functions much more. I forgot to pass. And Instead of this, do this. Now part 4, which is just, avoid enumerations and, no. I mean, avoid magic numbers and use enumerations instead. I made a tutorial about enumerations, but yeah, in short, you can do something like this. In Python, you have to import enum in other language like Java, I guess, and yeah, it should also work for C. You don't have to import, it's kind of a built-in function. But yeah, it's long ago since I used something else than Python. But yeah, in Java enumerations, you have kind of create your own class, which is another file. But yeah, we are in Python, not in Java. And yeah, if you want to call your enumeration, you can, for example, say weekday point Monday. You can declare a variable, and you can say e plus 1, print a. If you run the code, yeah, you have to import maybe something else. Yeah, I forgot that. But yeah, even without just counting up. But yeah, there's an integer enum. I think the name was different, but you can import a library where you just have to, yeah, count up or have to add 1 to Monday and you will get Tuesday. In this case, you have to declare the variable again, a equals, and yeah, you can print a equals weekend point Tuesday, Thursday, for example that. And yeah, he gets false because yeah, Thursday is not Monday. With that in mind, you have much more readable variables than just saying, for example, weekday equals 1. And now you're using magic numbers. 1 can represent Monday, 2 can represent Tuesday, and so on. But for a reader or for persons who didn't write your code, it's much harder to understand that. So yeah, use enumerations instead of magic numbers. So the last part is about commenting and doing meaningful comment. For example, we have this function, which is kind of useless, to do nothing, to nothing. My English is improving each day, and yeah, then it simply passes. And yeah, you kind of want to comment this. So you, for example, writing comment, and this is the best thing I ever wrote. No one can criticize my awesome code and my meaningful comments. That's just, I wanted to show how you shouldn't do it. Instead, do something like, this does ... So you can, for example, if you have a print function, you can just type why you use print in that case. Or if you are just using print for debugging and you are, like me, often too lazy to just import a logging, you can just write debug for debugging, uncomment for debug reasons. Like that. Then if you just delete the first hashtag, it will print, but the comment won't need to be deleted, or you don't have to handle hashtags and stuff like that. It's quicker. So do that instead. Yeah. And don't write comments like this one. So what you also can do, and what you should always do in certain cases, and these certain cases are, for example, you're working on a greater project which contains much different Py files or files. Always write a purpose statement using the docstring like this. In PyCharm, if you write 6 quotation marks, you just have to type 3 quotation marks. The other 3 ones are just automatically generated. If you're doing this, you have the opportunity to describe your function. This does nothing and is just for presentation reasons based on a bad tutorial on YouTube. Parameter A is this does nothing. Parameter B does I am asking myself what is wrong with me. And yeah, if you now call your function like this, no, not that, this, 1, 2, you see what I just wrote will be, shown in the description of the function. This does nothing and so on. If you just move your cursor for a little bit of time above the function. Yeah, this is really useful if you are, for example, moving to holidays and But another mistake I just did here, don't do recursive functions like this. Okay, but I am finished for today, and I hope you will be now happy because now I'm showing the outtakes. There were some I won't show because they are in the middle of the video. See you and bye bye. With another video about 20 ways and 20 tricks to make your code more readable. Some of them are more like you can see like rules. And why did I say 20? Yeah, I have 20 on my paper, but I don't know if it's 20. I will take this. Yeah, welcome to the outtakes, by the way. Hello and welcome back to Python with another video. Yeah, it's a video. No, it's not a video, it's an audio. Hello, welcome back to Python with another. I should write down what I want to say after. Hello and welcome back to this. Hell. This is hell.